welcome back to my channel and welcome to my back porch of my mobile home. Today we're going to be doing a fall porch decorate with me. I'm so excited about it. Since we lived here, we've never really decorated the back porch because it's weird. We have a front porch, but we rarely use that one since we got this one built. We haven't had this since we moved in here. We just had this built last summer. So like this is really the first year we had to like use it. So I wanted to decorate it. So I went and I got us some pumpkins and some mums and some cute things to bring some life to our back deck. But first I need to take some of the summer things off. We need to spray it down and put out the cushions and just get the porch prepared for all of the wonderful fun decorations that we're going to be bringing. The only thing is, guys, this entire week it has been like 58, 60 degrees, really feeling like fall. Super inspired me to do this back porch. The day that I choose to do this, it's 105 degrees. It is so hot and I wanted to look really cute and fall-y, so I have like my fall outfit on, all my fall colors and stuff, and now I'm like, I might have to go in the house, pull up my hair and change my clothes because it's hot, y'all. It is hot. So I might wait till the sun gets a little over on that side to begin because it is hot. I have a feeling I'm gonna burn up. But I really want to get this done before my husband gets home from work. So we'll see how well I do. But anyways, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you guys are here. If you're new here, hello, my name is Missy. I would love it if you guys would hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell for notifications when I upload new videos. And let's bring some fall vibes to this back porch. I'm so excited. Here's my front porch, some of the things that I have ready. So we need to put out the cushions. You can see I have some summer stuff still sitting out. See all the summer stuff. I need to pick up some garbage. I need to spray the porch off. We want to get the fire going. I might have to open up this umbrella. And there's a helicopter in the middle of my video. But anyways, this is this part that we're going to bring some life to. So I'm super excited. I have a mat. We're going to get a wreath on the door. It's going to look so stinking cute. But I just wanted to give you like a quick overview of what the porch looks like before we get it decorated and going. It's a little space, but I know I can make it look adorable. Let's bring fall to the back porch, y'all. So the first thing I want to do is remove all of my little spring and summer knickknacks that I just border my porch with because I just love how they look and they're just really cute. But it's time to put them away and make the porch look like fall. There you go. Ah! What? Now you're full.
I wanted to drink water so my mouth isn't dry, not spray.
Okay, don't turn it off. So I went to the Dollar Tree to get some of their sunflowers because their sunflowers are just beautiful and they didn't have any. It was all Halloween floral. So the only thing that I could find that it was a little bit yellow is some of these cattails and some of these other, I forget what they're called, flowers, because I love yellows and purples together, and I didn't want to pull these because some of these are still trying to live. So I just bought some cattails and some like simple yellow flowers to put in here just to fill it in, to fill in some of the gaps to make it look pretty, but it would have looked absolutely beautiful if I could find sunflowers from the Dollar Tree. But I'm telling you, if you see something at the Dollar Tree, because I got sunflowers from the Dollar Tree about 3 weeks ago, if you don't buy it when you see it, it's like you never see it again. And I know that I know this, so I don't know why I do things like that. But this turned out okay. I wasn't like thrilled about it, but man, it would have looked beautiful if I would have had a couple picks of sunflowers. But for the fall months, this will do because these do look fall-y, if that's a word, and it does bring little pops of yellow in with the little purple flowers.
Just a dream, just all in my head. Floating rivers upstream, the things that you said. Tell me and be honest. Tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winners know? Tell me and be honest. Tell me, should I've known try my best to move on, to let go. They say time is a healer, just you wait and see. For me, I need an eternity. So tell me and be honest. Tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winners know? Tell me and be honest. Tell me, should I've known that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow? Try my best to move on, letting go. Letting go. Tell me, should I know?
I'm in the house real quick because it is so hot outside. Oh my goodness. But anyways, really quick, I want to make an exciting announcement. I'm so excited. I have opened up a second channel that is going to deal with weight loss, mental health, healthy recipes, and daily living. So I am down 134 pounds. You can see my latest photo right here. And I have about 150 more to go. So I opened up a second channel to really focus on weight loss, my mental health, how I'm recovering from having anxiety and depression and things like that really bad, and what I'm doing to overcome those things, what I'm eating. I'm in a calorie deficient, healthy recipes, and my daily living of just me going from where I'm at to where I want to be. And of course the air conditioning comes on, but I understand because it's hot. So my brand new channel, Missy Lynn, my second channel, is linked down below. I would so appreciate it if all of you guys who would be interested in that would go over and sub, and don't forget to hit that bell so you get notifications when I upload new videos. Right now I think it's going to be once a week, and then once the channel takes off, if it really takes off, I'll be doing a lot more over there. Nothing is going to change at Just Missy. We're still going to be doing cleaning and hauls and decorating and home decor and all this fun stuff. Just Missy is staying the same. It's Missy Lynn that is going to be bringing in all the weight loss and mental health and healthy recipes. So I'll see you over there. Thanks, guys.
She was out there alone on the highway. She had a broken wing, she's trying to hide. And I was much too old to act on the feeling. But then again, I ain't never had someone to hold. I wrote songs for a mockingbird. Take 'em all, leave 'em, I know that she heard. Songs for a mockingbird. Looking at me, she sang every word. Songs for a mockingbird. Oh, you give and you take, and you live and you learn. Songs for a mockingbird.
I remembered while I was fixing my little scarecrow that I had this little dog with a welcome sign in his mouth, and I thought it would finish off this little haystack perfectly. I love how this little corner turned out. I think it's a perfect little combination. And now I'm going to get my homemade wreath made on the door. This is just one of those wreath frames from the Dollar Tree, some burlap, and one of the Dollar Tree pumpkins centered in the middle. And you won't believe it or not, but my welcome mat as well is from the Dollar Tree. So you can definitely bring some fall vibes and warmth and color to your home on a budget. I really love how this all came together. Thank you so much for joining me today, guys. I really hope that you liked my fall decorate with me for my back porch and in front of it and up the steps. I love how it turned out. It is so cute. We did such simple things, but it brought just the right fall touches to our back porch where we go in and out. I think it looks so pretty when we pull up, and when we sit here at night, it is warm and cozy and very fall and inviting. I'm melting. I wish it was a little cooler so it actually felt like fall, but at least the fall vibes are going. You can hear my air conditioning kicking on. It is so hot. I just cannot believe how hot it is, but despite how hot it is, we got it decorated, and I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Thanks so much for joining me today, guys. And as I always say, whether God blesses you with a mobile home or a mansion, just be grateful for whatever God has given you. Do what you can, make it beautiful, make it your own, and I know God will bless you with more. Until next time, guys, take care of you. Know that I love you, but Jesus loves you so much more. And I'll be talking to you in the next video, and don't forget to check out my second channel. Love you guys. Bye.